What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, bringing you another home tour. For today's tour, I'm going to be taking you through another holiday home. This model is the Charlotte. The Charlotte is 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, and 2,338 square feet of living area. I'm going to go ahead and put some music on, flip that camera around, and let you take the tour, and I will check back in with you when the tour is over. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour of the Charlotte model, brought to you by Holiday Home Builders. If you have any questions about the Charlotte model, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour video, and I will see you on the next one.